Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, most definitely welcome. So King Monada has been dragged to court over another no-show incident despite being paid. The organizer of the event, Mpoza Mashabela, said he's heartbroken as he gave Monada 2 chances. He once booked him for an award show and he failed to pitch up, and he was given another chance and he failed to attend. So Mpoza is demanding 60,000 rands from Monada despite paying him 35,000 rands. So he's saying 15,000 is for legal fees and 10,000 rands for pain and suffering, and he has been taken to court for that. To me, 35,000 that he was paid at first wasn't a lot. He was supposed to just return the money and say, I can't make it even for the second time. Now it's 60,000, and this guy is always booked. I don't know why he cannot just give this guy his money back and then clear his name, because now he's being dragged to court and we don't know what will be the outcome of this whole shande.